Lian, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Leia na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Kayo ba ay handang arugain at palakihin ang mga anak na ibibigay sa inyo ng Diyos bilang mabubuting Kristiyano?
Opo, Father.
Opo, Father.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spins like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Fill my heart with song.
Para sa bagong buhay na para sa mas masayang buhay. Tama ba? Kinumpleto yung buhay mo eh.
Take two, action.
Pare, para sa mas masarap na buhay. Ay!
In other words, I love you. The light peeks in through the cracks in the blinds as the dust dances in patterns through the light.
Our love story is a perfect time. Always ask God, when will He bless me, the right person to love? Then you suddenly came, and our friendship took a beautiful turn. From being a long-time friend to becoming each other's home.
Good morning, beautiful. We made it. We made it. We made it another day. We made it. We made it. We made it another day.
Last year was the hardest season for us. We both carried so much pain. You held me up when I was at my weakest. You cared for me when I did not even know how to take care of myself. You gave me strength when I had none left. With you, I found a hand to hold when life felt too heavy. With you, I discovered a love that remains strong and steady. With you, I am calm, and I am understood, and I am safe.
Ang aking bunso, siyempre,
Gagal naman yan eh.
hangad ko ang kaligayahan at mabuting pagsasama niyo. May God bless you always. Naiyak ako.
Tanda mo pa ba kung kailan at saan tayo unang nagkagustuhan? Pag-ibig na
Who would have thought that after all these years of knowing each other, we would end up here? Truly, everything happens for a reason. God prepared us, molded us, and in His perfect time, He made it all possible. And everything led me to you.
Naaalala mo pa ba ang ating unang pagkikita?
The newlyweds, ladies and gents, let's hear it for Lian and Leia Maglalang Gonzalez.
Di matagong ka pa sa tuwing ika'y hinaharana. Di makatulog sa ating pananapik. Pwede ba tayong bumalik sa ating unang halik? Paborito ko ang iyong ngiti, tuwing hawak ko ang iyong pisngi.
Thank you for loving me and choosing me. I promise to keep choosing you today and for the rest of our lives. You are my forever love. I love you with all my heart, and I promise to love you even more. Today, I give you not just my heart, but my whole life. I love you.
Naaalala mo pa ba ang ating unang pagkikita? Kislap sa ating mata tuwing tayo magkalapit. Di matagong ka pa sa tuwing ika'y inaarana. Di makatulog sa ating pananapik. Pwede ba tayong bumalik sa ating unang Naaalala mo pa ba ang ating unang pagkikita? Kislap sa ating mata tuwing tayo magkalapit. Di matagong ka ba sa tuwing ikaw ay naharana. Di makatulog sa ating pananapik. Pwede ba tayong bumalik